Hi there, it's Mackenzie with WTI.
I just love these faux fern stems. They add such a great addition to the pots that are at the front of our home. I love the fact that they are UV resistant, so I am not worried about them fading over time. They were so easily to unpack and adjust and bendable so that it gives it that true, authentic, real fern look. This faux greenery is just so nice to add a lively, even though they're not alive, touch to any pot or any front entranceway that can be used inside or outside of your home. They look so nice, and you do not have to worry about them weathering. They stick right into dirt. They show beautifully with any color pot. And in fact, accidentally, we had real greenery grow up in between where the faux greenery was. They can adjust and you can put together however many you want.
I love these so much. I know you will too. And that's just my point of view.